Before beginning assembly of your office chair, make sure you have all your parts and hardware. Starting with the base and casters, begin by flipping the base upside down. Then, firmly press in each caster until you hear a click. Flip the base to the upright position. Next, you'll be working with the gas lift and cover. Firmly insert the gas lift into the base. Then, place the cover over the gas lift. Secure the backrest onto the seat cushion with L-bar screws. Next, we will attach the armrest. Your arms are labeled right and left. Attach the arms with the included knob.
Firmly tighten the knob on the seat cushion. Repeat the process to attach the second arm.
Firmly place your seat onto the gas lift. Your final step of assembly is to sit on your new chair to firmly engage the mechanism onto the gas lift. You're now ready to enjoy your new office chair.